In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google form to Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to open your Wix website editor. Once you're there, you're just going to look for the Add Elements section right here, and then look for Embed Code. Now in here, we're going to select Embed a Site. So we're just going to click that and add it to our homepage. Now, what you need to do next is to get the website address of your Google form. So for example, I have one here. This is just a default template of Google Forms. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the URL. And I'm going to paste it right here. Click Apply. And it should show on our Embed website. Now I'm just going to reposition this and resize it so that the entire thing is visible, just like that. And again, don't worry if the Google form is too big. There will be an option to scroll down once it's published on the website. So we're going to go ahead and check this. Hold on, just let me reposition this. There we go. Now we can check this by clicking on preview. So we're going to go ahead and do that just to show you how it looks like once it gets published on your website. Just going to go through that prompt. And as you can see, the Google form is on our homepage. You can also scroll down on it to get to the bottom of the Google form. And that's about it. That's how you add a Google form to Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.